What would you say, whether it's to your young boy, 13-year-old, or to any young professional out there who is hungry to grow, doesn't know how to get started, or can't identify what's in their way? They're either embarrassed, ashamed, don't know the right way to approach somebody, but there is underneath that impediment, that desire to grow. What would you say to them?
So first, you have to have some type of goal, a small goal, a big goal, something that is going to get in this 360-degree world that we're flying in, a vector, a direction that you need to go at. If you want to lose 5 pounds, all right, that's great. If you want to be a starting center forward on your soccer team, great. If you want to be able to play the piano, participate in a recital, have some goal, and then work your way back from that goal. As fighter pilots, we started with the target, the bridge, the target that we're going to take out. We always plan backwards from that. And so when you do that, it forces you to think about the steps that you need to take in order to hit that goal. And you have to be intentional about it. You have to take one step at a time. You have to be okay not with getting immediate results. Patience is key, but progress with patience will lead to growth, incremental growth. When you're working out, you may say, okay, I'm going to commit myself to 3 days a week, 45 minutes a day. I'm going to do A, B, and C, and this is going to be my workout. You're not going to get the results after the first day or the week or even the first month, but slowly and surely, the results will reveal themselves. So patience, really, really key. Having a plan, really, really key. And then also surround yourself with others who are going to believe in you and get you on the right path, and who are willing to kick your butt and a little bit and love you enough to piss you off to get you in the right direction. Meaning, don't spend time with yes men and women. Don't spend time with friends who aren't emulating excellence in their own life. Don't spend time with friends and people who are accepting your mediocrity or coming off your flight path. I have a saying, or make your friends your mentors and your mentors your friends. Make your friends your mentors and your mentors your friends. You want to be around folks who are emulating it. And my friends in my life, if they're not pissing me off, making the hair stand up in the back of my neck, or bruising my ego every so often, then they're not my friends, because they love me enough to do that. So really, really important. Jim Rohn, as you know, I'm sure you know what Jim Rohn said, don't spend major time with minor people. My dad said, be careful who you spend time with on the weekends. And I think that's the key. Your relationships matter.
Yeah, my version of that same concept is, we have structures in our life. A calendar is a structure. How you set up your office is a structure. But the most powerful, most important structures are people.
Mm-hmm.
And they're the structure for your existence.
Sure.
And what that structure is made up of is going to really determine your altitude.
Mm-hmm.
So thank you, because I ask that because I know, you believe that life and business are not simulations, and that every lesson you receive during I'm talking to you, Waldo, that you've received during your jet fighter combat and training missions can be taught to organizations that you speak to. And everybody, and I mean this really, is looking for high performing ideas, high performing methodologies, high performing thought leadership, where they can take that in and their teams can function under pressure